Certainly. Here are some more tech hacks that can make your life easier. 1. Take screenshots and screenshots of portions. Capture screenshots of your computer or smartphone screen by pressing the print screen key on Windows or Command+Shift+3 on Mac. To capture only a portion of the screen, use Command+Shift+4 on Mac or the snipping tool on Windows. 2. Offline reading. Save articles or web pages for offline reading using applications like Pocket or Instapaper. These tools allow you to access saved content even without an internet connection. 3. Instant language translation. Use language translation apps like Google Translate or Microsoft Translator to quickly translate text, signs, or even conversations in real time. Some apps even allow you to point your camera at foreign text for instant translation. 4. Remote desktop access. Set up remote desktop access using tools like TeamViewer or Chrome Remote Desktop. This allows you to access your computer from another device, which can be helpful for troubleshooting or accessing files remotely. 5. Undo accidental closures. Accidentally closed a tab in your web browser? Use Ctrl+Shift+T or Command+Shift+T on Mac to reopen the last closed tab. This shortcut works in popular web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. 6. Email organization. Utilize features like filters, labels, and folders in your email client to automatically sort and organize incoming messages. This can help you keep your inbox clutter-free and find important emails more easily. 7. Task management. Use task management apps like Todoist, Trello, or Microsoft To Do to keep track of your tasks, set reminders, and stay organized. These apps often sync across devices, allowing you to access your tasks from anywhere. 8. Voice typing. Take advantage of voice typing features available in applications like Google Docs or Microsoft Word. This can be a faster and more convenient way to transcribe text or write documents, especially if you're more comfortable speaking than typing. 9. Clear browser cache. If you're experiencing issues with websites loading or displaying correctly, try clearing your browser cache. This can often resolve temporary issues related to cached data. You can usually find the option to clear cache in your browser settings or preferences. 10. Presentation mode. When giving presentations, use presentation mode features in applications like Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides. This allows you to display the presentation on one screen while keeping your notes or next slides visible on your device's screen. Remember to explore the features and settings of your devices, applications, and services to discover additional hidden gems and customization options that can make your tech experience even more efficient and tailored to your needs.